Geordie has asked, do aftermarket parts not come balanced from the manufacturer? Yes, they do, generally. Some manufacturers are better than others. Some work to tighter tolerances than others. Our policy at HPA is trust but verify. So we always want to actually confirm that the manufacturer has given us what they think they've given us. I had exactly the situation with a set of K1 technology connecting rods for an SR20 a while back. K1 say that their rods will come balanced to within plus or minus 1 gram. We had a set of rods that had a variation of 5 grams from the lightest to the heaviest. Given the small nature of those rods, it's literally impossible to remove that amount of material from the rod without negatively affecting the strength of the rod. So yeah, trust but verify. You also may want to be working to tighter tolerances than the manufacturer as well.
That question was taken from one of our free live lessons. If you like free stuff and you're the type of guy who wants to expand your knowledge, click the link in the description to claim your free spot to our next live lesson. You'll learn about performance engine building and EFI tuning, and you'll also have the chance to ask your own questions, which I'll be answering live. Remember, it's 100% free, so follow the link to claim your spot.